eating Black Noi with my mother, Black Night, here right now in her house. And she's gonna be cooking some Kapampangan style bacolor, old style, old fashioned chicken and pork adobo. All right, let's check it out. So you guys can see there's a lot of flavorings in there. You got garlic, pepper, and then you got bay leaf right there. Just leave it there. What is there vinegar?
Yeah, just vinegar.
Vinegar and
just
what?
Let it boil it there.
Let it simmer?
Yeah, let's simmer.
No
right
heat?
there.
No heat?
Not really. Maybe
You got soy sauce in there too?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so that's why, you know, a lot of people, they say that, you know, Pampangans, the people from Pampanga, they cook the best. Well, the reason they cook the best is because, you know, they really cook the food with flavor. They just don't cook. They cook it with a lot of flavor. Kind of like this one. See? So you added some onions, yellow onions. Okay, just leave it there. Don't stir. Let it simmer. Let it boil. Let it cook it itself.
Let it boil. Let it boil.
Medium heat. That's the key right there. Medium heat, and do not rush.
Yeah, kami na po. Simmer, yeah. Just leave it like that. Still in low fire.
Low heat.
Low heat. There you go. Hey, sorry. Just leave it there.
Go. What is that? Peppercorn?
Peppercorn. Yeah.
Nice.
Do presentation.
What is that? Serrano?
Serrano to make. That's the only presentation to make look good. You know.
Nice.
I know. Means 3. 1, 2, 3 means I love you. Good luck. Tummy. Then rice.
Sweet. If you want sweet adobo, you put brown sugar.
Yeah, brown sugar.
If you want it soupy, put more water.
Yeah.
Now, if you want it a little bit dry, like the way we like it here,
Yeah, just try it.
and then just enough.
Yeah.
See, like how the juice, that flavor, soy sauce, vinegar is just sitting right there,
Yeah.
and it's pretty much cooked, but you know, just let it simmer,
Yeah.
low
Just
heat.
simmer here. Look. Not even one.
All right, we're gonna cook rice, right?
Yeah, the rice.
White rice. What'd you say?
Next time,
Don't put a cover.
yeah, because we make it water.
You make it; it will be watery, right?
Yeah, because
The moisture.
The moisture.
Yep. Yeah, that's what I do.
Mhm. Just leave it
I only
like
do that in the
there.
beginning, and then I take it out, and then I take the cover out.
Yeah, just like that.
Damn, smells good too. You guys are missing out.
This is native chicken too.
It's all organic chicken.
Yeah, this is
So
organic.
what my mom is doing right now, she's breaking the muscles,
So this is
breaking the meat, so all that sauce will go inside.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty much it. See, because a lot of Filipino adobos out there, they don't do this.
Yeah.
You know, they cook the fast way. They cook the easiest, fast and non-flavorful way. They put the meat, they turn on the heat, and then when the color changes, and then it's done.
Yeah.
But it doesn't turn out as like this one right here.
That's it. Just leave it there.
Mhm.
Look.
Low heat,
Yeah, look very.
no cover. Let it simmer. Just let it cook. The adobo is finished.
Big